Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your programming code on the Amazon Basics keypad lock in 2026. Now, first of all, before making any of the programming changes, you need to make sure of two things. First of all, the door should be opened and it should be unlocked as well. Now, you need to start entering your programming code on the keypad. After entering the programming code, if the lock has recently been reset and no changes has been made, the default programming code is usually 0000. But if you already have changed it, you just have to simply enter that. So after entering the programming code, you just have to simply press this particular lock unlock button in order to enter into the programming mode. Now, once you have done that, you just have to simply press 4. Then you need to simply press the lock unlock button again. Afterwards, the command is going to tell the lock that you want to change the existing programming code rather than modify a user code. So you need to start entering the new programming code over here. So Amazon Basics locks typically allow a code between 4 to 10 digits, giving you more flexibility than the standard user code. So you need to simply choose the code that is very easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. After entering your new code, you just have to again press this lock unlock button in order to basically save the process. So you will know when the process is completed when this particular button flash green, and you are also going to hear a beep. So that's how you can basically change the programming code. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.